to a new vlog. We're awake. Lori is not awake yet. She didn't sleep again. I slept like a baby.
I know, I heard you. You were talking in your sleep. You were laughing.
Laughing at my own life. So yeah, we're gonna get breakfast now. No idea where to go, but we'll see. It's so much more quiet here. More peaceful. It's not as hectic as Bangkok, which is very nice. So I'm hungry, so let's go find something to eat. Look at this breakfast. Oh, looks so good. This bridge reminds me of the High School Musical bridge where Troy and Gabriella break up.
I gotta say what's on my mind. Something about us doesn't seem right these days. Life keeps getting in the way.
We have a musical performer right here.
Got to move on and be who I am.
And run to your minivan. It's so pretty, but so hot. The words of Laurie Palman. The only words that came up out of her mouth this vacation is, it's so hot. I am hot. I want to die. But well, it's worth it. We go from one food stand to the other. Look how cute this is. It screams me. I had to. And this one is really good. Badoon. As if we had enough food already. Oh. Yes. We just slept or chilled for an hour, and now we're walking in the rain. But that's not too
Get so
bad.
angry when they advertise elephant riding or tiger petting. What the heck? Who's gonna pet a tiger?
Well, we're gonna go to the Elephant Nature Sanctuary tomorrow, which is the most trusted one, where they don't hurt the animals.
Hi.
Volgens mij moeten we hier oversteken trouwens. So yeah, we're gonna do that so we get picked up at 8. And then we're gonna spend the day with the elephants, which I'm very excited about. And now we're gonna go to the night market. Yes. it back home, hostel. Gonna go sleep and wake up at 7 to go to the elephant. So good night. Good morning. Today we're gonna go to see the elephants. We're already sweating and we haven't even been outside. I'm so excited. We have to drive for an hour and a half, so let's go. Tira! Hi! Ik heb geen food. I don't have food. We made it back from the elephant sanctuary. It was fun. Lau has died.
Give me a minute.
We just laid in bed for the past hour or two. But it was a very great experience. And if you ever go to Thailand, you have to choose the Elephant Nature Park sanctuary because they treat the elephants the best. No working, no riding, no anything, just food. Lots of food and freedom. So 10/10 recommend those. But yeah, it was a great experience for sure. And now we're gonna go, I don't know, to a market and eat or sleep. Lori cannot handle it anymore.
I don't sleep at night.
she never sleeps at night.
I don't think I've slept ever since we came here. But that's okay.
I sleep like a baby here. And she doesn't sleep at all. I don't know how you do it. And I slept on the ride home, which was great. But now it's hot here again, so because I cannot vlog with the fan on because it makes a horrible sound. Okay, so we just had food at Taste of Heaven, which was pretty good. Pretty good. It was really good. It was. I had vegetarian pad thai and Laurie had some type of curry, which was very spicy, but good. So now we're gonna go to another night market. And yeah, Chiang Mai is very suitable for people who don't eat meat because there's like vegetarian options everywhere. So 10/10 recommends. There we go, drinking and watching the Dutch soccer team win. Good morning, pickies. It's 11. I have no shirt. We slept in. Well, Laurie slept in today.
I didn't know I slept in.
I woke up at like 8. I was like, oh, okay, Laurie's still sleeping. And then I was watching KK Baby J vlogs. And then she's like, what are you doing? So I was like, watching vlogs. I'm like, it's 9:30. And she's like, oh. I thought it was not, because it's so dark in here.
We don't have a window.
Yeah, it's like one big, it's like a jail.
A jail?
A jail. A jail. It's like a jail.
I can't deal with you today. Let's go our separate ways. Got to.
We're starting to get delusional.
We're not drunk, we swear. You
Yeah.
can't drink here around this time.
I brought a new friend. His name is Bob. On the side of my cheek. Yeah, so we still have to eat breakfast.
We're gonna go eat
It's
breakfast
11:30. And it's time for sunset. No. Copyright, don't copyright. So yeah, let's go. In massage chairs. I'm dying. It's good for my back because it hurts. I can't. This is literally, I don't know if it's good for you or not, but oh, it hurts. I think the entire back. Oh. I felt possessed because my body was doing really weird things, but it was great. Recommend. Well, this lighting is great. Anyways, I don't even know what the last thing is that we filmed, but yesterday we went to go eat at a vegan restaurant, which was okay. It was not as good as expected. Then we went to the bar to watch the Formula 1 race, which Max Verstappen won, which is great, and we're so happy. And then we went to bed, and this morning we just woke up to get some breakfast, and now we're at the airport waiting for our next flight. We're going down to Surat. We're gonna go to Surat and then we're gonna sleep there for one night in a hotel because we're bougie like that. No, because that was the cheapest option. And then we're gonna take the boat tomorrow to Koh Samui, and we're gonna go to the sun, hopefully, and the islands. And I'm so excited. So this is where I'm gonna end this vlog, probably. Maybe I'll add some travel, some shots of us traveling, but I'm not sure. So stay tuned for the next vlog on the islands. Thank you.